Entrepreneurs in the locally repurposed waste industry want Kenyans to consume Kenyan-made recycled materials as a way of boosting local manufacturing and reducing effects of climate change. The Kenya Green Building Society CEO Nasra Nanda says the country's consumer culture still lacks adequate awareness on sustainability issues, even as the country positions itself as a green manufacturing powerhouse.
The block building process starts here at a dumping yard where trucks come in, dump the refuse, mostly plastic, and then it is sorted elsewhere in the factory space.
Kenya produces at least 8 million tons of waste annually, according to the Environment Ministry. It launched a sustainable waste management policy in March 2023, meant to adopt global best practices in waste management, including a requirement for producers to invest in technologies and products that are reusable and recyclable. Now, businesses in this space say more needs to be done.
Sustainable and affordable housing through the, modular solution using recyclable plastic. The Sustainability in Action Tour is essentially building awareness and showing people in practice what does sustainability means. And we're really proud.
Timao Group is a startup that uses repurposed plastics to manufacture interlocking blocks used in building housing units. They say the industry is faced with challenges, including a lack of synergy and awareness.
Our request is that we need more people to join in the voice against plastic pollution. We have solutions, we have local solutions that we can be able to transform this material into very, very comfortable quality houses. All we need is support. We need support from private sector, we need support from government, we need support from all key stakeholders.
Currently, entrepreneurs are looking at ways of generating jobs and revenue through plastic waste recycling. This comes just a few weeks before Kenya plays host to the first ever Africa Climate Summit to be held at the Kenyatta International Convention Center from the 4th to the 6th of September.
In the light of Africa Climate Summit, we see solutions that are locally available, and right behind me there is a wall that's coming up. I think you've seen the tour of the small showcase of the house that we had. We are here to showcase that solutions for climate change are right here. When you talk of eating large, we talk about recycling plastic waste, which plastic pollution is a big contributor to climate change.
We are also going to be holding several events during and before the ACS. We have a pre-ACS event on the Sunday before the climate summit starts. It starts on Monday, and we're going to be focusing on bringing together partnerships to mobilize sustainable finance.
The Kenya Broadcasting Corporation will transmit the summit live. Alan Oko, Lunchtime News.